Tracking all activity on signed documents is essential for maintaining security, accountability, and transparency in your workflow. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to log all activity on signed documents using an easy-to-follow method. First, let's talk about why logging activity is crucial. When you have a signed document, it's important to know who accessed it, when it was accessed, and if any changes were made. Without this information, you could be exposed to fraud, unauthorized access, or even legal complications. That's where logging activity comes in. One of the most efficient ways to log all activity on signed documents is by using a document management or electronic signature software. These tools automatically capture and log every interaction with your document, including viewing, signing, or editing, giving you a detailed audit trail. I've tested several popular options, and the software I'm going to recommend is the one that provides the most accurate and comprehensive logging features. Now let's dive into how to set it up. First, upload your document to the software of your choice, and ensure that your settings are configured to track document activity. Most software options will have an activity log or audit trail section that logs every interaction automatically. You'll want to make sure this setting is turned on, so you can track everything from when the document was signed to when it was viewed by each participant. Next, once the document is signed, you'll get a timestamp showing exactly when the document was accessed and by whom. You can also track any edits or updates made to the document. Some software even lets you download the full activity log as a report, which you can save for your records. This helps keep everything organized and legally compliant. You should also set up notifications. Many platforms allow you to receive real-time notifications whenever someone interacts with the document. This can be extremely helpful if you need to stay on top of any changes or potential issues immediately. In addition, when choosing your software, make sure it offers encryption and secure storage. This ensures that all activity logs remain tamper-proof, which is critical for protecting sensitive documents and ensuring data integrity. Remember, logging activity on signed documents is all about ensuring accountability. By using the software we'll be using in this tutorial, you can rest assured that you'll always have a complete and accurate record of all interactions with your signed documents. Here's the key takeaway. Always make sure your signed documents are tracked with a detailed activity log. The software you choose should automatically capture all actions related to your documents to prevent unauthorized access or changes, giving you peace of mind and legal protection. To quickly recap, make sure to upload your document to secure software, enable activity tracking, and take advantage of real-time notifications and downloadable logs. This simple process can save you from a lot of potential problems down the road. Before I close, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of that if you want to follow along and start logging activity on your signed documents today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.